I am going to explain about Customer Vendor Bridge by BP. Hope this will be helpful. Customer and Vendor Integration. Customer and vendor integration is primarily used for special procurement processes, such as subcontracting and stock transfer orders, STO. For example, it is applied when sending goods to a vendor for subcontracting. Key concepts. When you raise a purchase order, PO, you act as the customer. When the subcontractor sends finished goods, they become the vendor. When you send goods to the subcontractor, you become the vendor. When the subcontractor receives materials, they become the customer. To enable this bidirectional action, you need to configure Customer and Vendor Integration, CVI. Steps to create CVI integration. Create BP grouping. Access SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Navigate to cross-application components -SAP Business Partner -Basic Settings -Number Ranges and Groupings -Define grouping and assign number range. Create vendor account group. Create customer account group. Create number range for BP grouping, internal number range. Create number range for vendor account group, external number range. Create number range for customer account group, external number range. Assign number range to BP grouping. Assign number range to vendor account group. Assign number range to customer account group. Integrate BP to vendor, enable same no option. Integrate BP to customer, enable same no option. Detailed instructions for creating BP grouping. Access SPRO. Navigate to SAP reference IMG-cross-application component -SAP Business Partner -Basic Settings -Number Ranges and Groupings. Define grouping and assign number range. Create BP grouping no range. SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA cross-application componenta SAP Business Partner or Business Partnera Basic Settings on Number Ranges and Groupings Define number range. Note, BP grouping number range should be internal. Create vendor grouping code. SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA Logistic General or Business Partner A Supplier or Control or Define Account GRP and Field Selection. Create vendor number range. SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA Logistic General a Business Partner or Supplier or Control or Define number for supplier. Note, supplier number range should be external. Create customer account GRP SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA Logistic General a Business Partner a Customer or Control or Define number for customer. Note, customer number range should be external. Create customer account GRP SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA Logistic General a Business Partner a Customer or Control or Define and assign number range to customer. Note, customer number range should be external. BP integration with vendor SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA cross-application componentmaster data synca cust/vendor. Integration a business partner settings for vendor ingrt.off field assignment for vendor. Assign keys a define no, assign BP to vendor. BP integration with customer SPRO path. SPROSAP ref. IMGA cross-application componentmaster data synca cust/vendor. Integration a business partner settings for customer ingrt.off field assignment for vendor. Assign keys a define no, assign BP to customer. Step 1. All the back-end configuration is completed for CV creation. Now run the transaction BP. Note, enter the all details required in general data. Step 2. Note, after creating BP, click on Switch Mode, click on BP Role to create customer, click on Company Code tab. Step 3. Note, after Company Code tab, provide input data, it will be taken care by SD team. Step 4. Note, click on Switch Mode, select BP role as FLCU01 for sales and distribution data entry. Maintain sales org, distribution channel, division, price GRP, cust pricing procedure. Step 5. Note, in Shipping Data tab, Delivery Priority, delivering plant shipping conditions in Billing tab. Maintain tax codes. Step 6. Note, click on Switch Mode, select FLVN00, click on Company Code. Step 7. Note, input company code reconciliation for vendor, payment terms, payment method. Step 8. Note, for BP role FLVN01 purchasing data need to enter, maintain purchase order currency, payment terms, GR base invoice verification, schema GRP. Supplier. Step 9. Note, now customer and vendor both are interlinked. Thank you.